A good day to Dr. Muzaffar. I'm Muhammad Shaharin Amri bin Muhammad Noor as a project manager representing our group for a proposal of smart green mushroom house to the developer in order to meet the green project activities in the community. First of all, I would like to introduce to my team members which being divided into their expertise whereby Mrs. Noor Asra will be in charge in terms of planning, Mr. Paramanathan in engineering, and Miss Susie in manufacturing area. Our company is known for its expertise in green project management. We execute our green project plan with reliable resources and workforce. Our company is strong in terms of financial and resources. Uh, Our team is being recognized toward strong environment ethics and we have sufficient of experts in the green activities. The team of experts in green project management are well established in our company. The project organizational structure is allow more special employees to contribute to this project without going through layers of management. Everyone in our company is responsible for their work and deliver the project within the timeline and the expected quality. And that is how we guarantee our product quality. Let me introduce the project background. So oyster mushroom are the third largest cultivated mushroom and contribute nearly 85% from a million tons of the world production. In order to support the sustainable development goals, Malaysia Green Policy, we come out with this idea to ensure not only we fulfill our government pledge, but also have the residents to gain additional income. This project is selected as our main green project because of easy to assemble, compact in form and size, low maintenance, can be manufactured in mass production, and of course, it comes with lower cost. So our smart green mushroom house support clean energy by using solar, extend the technology of rainwater harvesting, compact and portable, affordable, and easy to farm. This is the problem statement. So landed house in Malacca mostly didn't fully utilize their extra area. Therefore, our team encouraged them to cultivate mushroom and get a free nutrition serving for them. Thus, the Smart Mushroom House was created to encourage green activities into a controlled environment mushroom house that is integrated with an IoT system. Number two, house in Malacca is ready with additional water tank which is located outside to the house for water harvesting green activity. However, the usage is limited to the water storage only. Thus, the function of existing water storage now can be extended for a smart green mushroom house cultivation system. And number third, the number three is currently the food and vegetables are expensive, and by having this system it can generate free vegetables and extra income for the consumers. So our objective of this project to extend the utilization of rain harvesting towards green activities in oyster mushroom cultivation. Number two, to encourage green and entrepreneurship activities. And the last one, to fulfill the market needs and the local demand. The previous related work, we encountered that small-scale mushroom farming never been done before in housing residential area, but currently it is widely developed in SME industry which requires high cost in operational and maintenance with large area and huge manpower. So this is the project methodology. So the existing developer provide the rain harvesting system whereby when the rain fall, we can see the storage of the water will be increased. Then we propose to implement the green energy system for smart mushroom house by implementing the solar panel for solar energy. Then the requirement for the oyster mushroom is the temperature below 30 degrees Celsius and the humidity must more than 60% humidity. So how the system works, when the humidity getting lower than 60%, the system will turn on the humidifier, right? Then when the temperature, especially in the noon, more than 30 degrees Celsius, the system will turn on the exhaust fan and the submersible pump. When the submersible pump on, it will get the water into the tank, flow to the roof of the mushroom house, and will to pour into the uh, roof of the mushroom house, and this will reduce the temperature. And once the temperature reach lower than 30 degrees C, the exhaust fan will be turned off and the pump will be turned off automatically by the system, right? And then when the humidity gets increased more than 60%, especially when heavy rain or at night, then the system will be turn off the humidifier. So this system is considered maintenance free since using the green energy system. So the solar panel will charge the battery, and the battery will provide the power for the charge controller and for to activate the exhaust fan, humidifier, and submersible pump. It also comes with the safety features whereby the it has a water sensor implement on the water tank. So when there is no water, the water level below is nearly below the submersible pump, it will turn off the system and it will indicate into the handphone system and to indicate that the pump is actually on or off. All right, so the system can be monitored by the consumers through the smartphone, and it comes with two packages, which is package A and a package B. Package A able to allocate only about 350 mushroom blocks with the size of 5 times 5 feet, while package B becomes the bigger size with 10 feet with 10 feet, which is able to allocate about 700 mushroom blocks. Below are the criteria on each packages. We had performed a risk analysis on this mushroom house, and we based on the failure mode effect analysis risk priority number for the oyster mushroom house, and we indicate that the contamination have a very high RPN number. Thus, every risk event has been analyzed, and identify a suggestion for improvement on each risk event so that we have a lower risk in future. So this is the expected results and discussion. The smart mushroom house surrounding are automatically controlled by a combination of data parameters provided by the various type of sensors. The IoT system has further enhanced the system ability to withstand extreme weather changes and override the control at any time and from any location from the smartphone itself. The computation and monitoring can be performed locally or remotely. The current system is set up for the cultivation of grey oyster mushroom in order to identify the best isolate to be proposed for mass production. The interconnect of sensors, mechanical and electronic systems are intended to optimize for optimum oyster mushroom growth and condition. So this is the timeline and the Gantt chart for reference. We have divided into a few tasks, which is combination of cooling system, humidity system, solar power system, Arduino Uno controller, and the house unit. This is the timeline for each activities. We can refer to the Microsoft Office projects. This is the project cost calculation based on two packages. This is the smaller package for 5 times 5 mushroom house, which is cost about 2,500 ringgit, and the bigger size for package B, which is 10 by 10 feet. We have about the cost is about 4,450 ringgit. So actually, our company has a lot of green project activities. So we had identified three projects, three green projects. The first project is clean energy, which using solar for every household, and the project two is a green farming mushroom house to enhance the economy, and the project 3 eco brick low carbon and environmental friendly brick. So these three projects are being considered to be proposed to the developer. However, based on the weightage that we made and agree discussion with the team and the the project 2 has raised the highest weightage number, so the project 2 is selected as our green project because of easy to assemble, compact in form and size, easy material to find and dispose, can be manufactured in mass production, and of course it comes with a lower cost. So this is the impact and environmental and sustainable development. So in SDG Summit 2019, our product green product will contribute to the SDG 2, SDG 6, and SDG 7. So target by 2.3 means that by 2030 we will double the agriculture productivity. Okay, in terms of small scale food producer, particular women, family farmers, fishers, everything. So the bottom line, the agriculture production will be double up. But target 6.0 by 2030 will expand international cooperation and capacity building support to developed countries in water and sanitation related activities and programs, including the water harvesting. And the third one, by target 7.1 by 2030, ensure universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services. So our product, Smart Green Mushroom House, is relevant to government policy and pledge. We reduce the energy consumption, will reduce the global greenhouse gas emission to slow climate change that has been in the government pledge and goal as flow, which is can indicate below. So this is based on the Green Technology Master Plan, GTMP. So our product definitely will support Green Technology Master Plan in 16 subsectors and related to the Malaysian priorities towards the Green Initiative. That's all from our group. Thank you very much.